Now question number 4, we need to draw a triangle ABC. Let us draw a rough triangle ABC, right angled at B, and BC is given to be 8 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter. And then you have to draw perpendicular from B to AC, and this point is D. This is your basic construction that we will do first. So let us draw BC, which is 8 centimeter in length. BC 8 centimeter in length. Now at B I need to construct 90-degree angle. So I will construct 90-degree angle at point B. Construction of 90-degree angle I need not explain, you know how to do that. Now join these 2 points and draw a line. Extend the line. And on this line you have A. A is 6 centimeter away from B because it is given AB is 6 centimeter. So take 6 centimeter on the compass, and this 6 centimeter we need to mark here to get point A. Now join AC. The triangle is complete. Triangle ABC is complete. Now this perpendicular BD you have to draw, and this is a line segment perpendicular to AC and passing through B. So you can say for AC, B is an external point. From here you need to draw the perpendicular. And how to draw a perpendicular to a line segment from an external point, that you have studied in lower class. With that point, B is the point here lying outside the line segment AC. With B as center, you need to draw an arc of any radius. Now this arc makes a line segment here. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. Take more than half on both sides, and with the same radius draw one more pair of arcs. Then join these 2 arcs. You will get a line passing through B and perpendicular to AC. So in the figure it is D, point D. This is point D and this is 90-degree angle. Now the actual construction begins here. You have to draw a circle which passes through B, D and C. So when you draw a circle passing through B, D and C like this, you can say B, D and C are points on the circle. And since this is 90-degree, this angle is angle in a semicircle. So BC is one diameter of the circle. BC is a diameter of the circle which you are going to draw, and the midpoint of BC will be the center of the circle. So to get the circle, draw the circle, first you should get the center of the circle. Center of the circle is the midpoint of side BC. Get the midpoint of side BC by drawing perpendicular bisector to BC. Draw perpendicular bisector. And this point will be the center of the circle. Let us name it O. Now if you draw a circle with O as center and OC as radius, it will pass through D and B. So let us draw the circle. This is the circle which is passing through B, C and D. So the circle is drawn. Now you are asked to draw tangents from A to this circle. Tangent from A to this circle. Now your circle is ready with center O. A is the external point. Now you have to draw a tangent from A to this circle. Two tangents. See, AB is one tangent because this is 90 degree. It is given in the beginning itself. Angle ABC is 90 degree. OB is a radius. So OB, a radius, makes 90 degree with AB. So AB is one tangent. What is remaining is only one tangent from A to this side. For that, we will follow the usual procedure. Join the external point A with O. Find its midpoint by drawing the perpendicular bisector of AO, like our usual procedure. After getting the external point, join the external point with the center, draw the perpendicular bisector of that line segment. So this perpendicular bisector is drawn. This is to get the midpoint of OA, and let that point be M. Now with M as center, A and MO as radius, if you draw a circle, it will pass through B and it will cut this circle at one point and it will pass through A also. I am just drawing a dotted circle. Okay. Now here, this is the point of intersection. Let us name it P. And join AP, you get the second tangent from A. One tangent is AB and second tangent is AP. Okay, so you can write AP and AB are the required tangents. Okay, this is a bit complicated construction, but I will write the steps of construction in the module. You can go through and then you can construct on your own. 2 or 3 times when you do, it will be easy. You can remember them.